Okay, I'm gonna pause this one here. According to my uploads, I have 135. They're here. And this list only goes up to 100. Only goes to 100. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to go to uploads. And this is what I have right now. But this is what I'm showing. 161 degrees. Oh, just went to 155. 182. It's actually loading, which is different from different days. It loads, different other days it does not load. There it's loading. Amazing. Lots of amazing things on this computer. So it stops here. It doesn't load anymore. It stops. So number 1 to 127 has disappeared from what I can see. Okay, there's nothing here. No more. All right. So I am going to go here. And I'm going to do this. This is Camtasia recording. No file selected. Try that again. Camtasia. All right. So it's not going to let me do that. So I am going to do it the other way around. Share. YouTube. Yep, already clicked on YouTube. Click on it again. All right, I'm charging. Click on YouTube again. Click. All right, so my computer does not want me to upload that video. Click on YouTube. Okay. So today is different. Every day is different, actually. Share. YouTube. Nope. I have Ethernet connection, but it will not upload that video. Share. YouTube. Nope, it will not. That was a video that was recovered. So let me do this. That's not showing in my, right? Maybe soon it will. Right, like I said, that video, oh, continue trial. This video was a recovered video. I already have the screenshots sitting here. I already tapped on continue trial, continue trial. Ah, too much data was transferred. I knew it. Okay. Just take a screenshot. Okay. Now I have this showing, but previously was blank. The internet router is 4582. It's not my router. This used to be blank previously. Now it has data on it. Okay. So a lot is happening. A lot is happening. Can upload this video. Let me try this one. And I can't. This one has 00 also. And this one has 00 also. Can't upload them. Okay, can't upload that, but I have a lot of screenshots. Oh, and Camtasia is not in my menu bar. Well, anyway, these two videos are very important. Let's go here. Right, this and this, these two are new. They were not there previously. Okay, so let me see if I have that. Let me sign out. Actually, no. Here it doesn't say, oh yeah, 1 subscriber. I'm going to minimize this. And this is 1. Right, so it says Coda 4582 is my router. One router found. That is not my router. No wonder it will not upload these two videos. Click on that one. Oh, I've already documented this one here. I downloaded peak hour. It downloaded like this first of all. It says Cedar Cave. And then when I downloaded it again, it was a proper download. Okay, and these three, Fanny Widget, they all ended up in trash. Just opening trash now. Fanny Widget all ended up in trash. I didn't do that. The first Fanny Widget I downloaded is here, and that one was shown as this here. Okay, this is the proper way. It was shown as this here. Anyway, they ended up in the trash, and here's my recording of that. I'll figure that out later if it'll play, because important things do not play, they do not work. So let me close trash. And here's peak hour disk image there, and that was 4 o'clock in the morning. And this morning I woke up, and I've documented this many times. It seems that the computer has affinity to take away all disk images. That's the norm, right? It's like you will know I'm behind the scenes because I will remove all disk images. Okay, so that disappeared. So let me see what I have here. Usage may be inaccurate because too much data is transferred. That's not surprising. Unknown error. All right, this is, I'll explain that later. Things are different constantly. They don't, this I'll explain 1 minute. It should be, the upload should be here, but it's not oftentimes. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not there. No, that's a goofy one. So here's the screen recording that had to be restored. Camtasia. Recording quit unexpectedly. It's a constant. Publish would not work on that one there. Oh yeah, and this keeps coming up. It tells me, do I want to quit applications? But I never do this. I never clicked on anything there. Right, so there was a change. So it says one hidden something there, whatever that's hidden. Sometimes it says two are hidden, 2 items hidden. But the window, when I tap on here, would give me 2 parts. First of all, it gave me 3. Then 3 disappeared, and then it gave me 2 parts. And the top was always like that, like this. Now it's changed. And it says Coda 4582 is my router. Okay? And Camtasia was no longer in my menu bar. Right. So when I was saving the recording, it was showing a 0 here. But I've already documented the computer. This computer takes a while to figure things out. So I was able to upload videos that have been saved, restored, Camtasia video that has been restored that I was able to upload. Not anymore. Restoring screen recording. See, they've been restored. Recording quit unexpectedly. That's why I have such a mess on my desktop, because this is what happens constantly. Why did I take the screenshot? Don't remember. Figure that one out later. All right, so I'm downloading the recordings from the phone, and I get a message that says QuickTime can't open file number 32 that was uploaded to my drive. That's silly, because it was right here, and I was able to drag and drop it to my desktop, and I was able to upload it later to YouTube. But this is the false pop-up window that I got. But it was right here. I just dragged and dropped it, and it was fine. I was able to open it. That was not a problem, and that is in this recording that I cannot upload. So here we go. This is what I saw previously. This is what I saw until the computer had time to figure it out. So the computer had time to figure it out, and then it changed. These 2 screens changed. So now what I see is this. Oh, wait, it changed. Now I have only 2 windows. I had 3 before. Oh, there, the last one came on. See, I know I have 3, but the last here. So there's the last one. So this is what I originally got. Nothing here, nothing here. I had the bottom. Then it changed to only 2, the top and the bottom. And this is the last after the computer had time to figure it out. So now I have this. There it says Coda is my router. Okay. Yeah. Move that down. And I think that's about it. I don't want to confuse or complicate anything, but that was the essence of it. I also have, that's not important. That's not an important one. But here, at 3 p.m., at 3 a.m., I was told by Apple, I was told by the App Store updates that I have no updates available. That's 3:09 a.m. And then 3:25, there was one update, and I was able to update the computer. Okay, only one update. This is within less than half an hour. There was an update, but my computer didn't even go up the about Mac. I wanted 10.12. It didn't go up. It's still at 10.11. All right. So there's updates that I'm not able to install because my computer constantly tells me there are no updates available. This is at 3 or 9 p.m. Okay. So that's it. And let's see if there. Where's my recording? File. Stop recording.